On the Upper Bhavani Dam, we are standing on the dam. We can see that the water flows in from Kerala there. And through the pumps, the water is pumped and brought this side of the dam. And this water is also used for the drinking water purpose in Tamilnadu. So this side completely belongs to Tamilnadu, this water. But clean water comes from Kerala there. It's a very beautiful, enchanting scenery here, surrounded totally by greenery. It's a very, very nice place. It reminds me of the Grand Canyon in America, where I have seen water flowing in the same way in between these dunes.